Tuesday. It's Miss Amelia at the library, and today I'm going to show you how to make cozy cake in a mug. So to get started, you'll need a mug that you can microwave, and you'll need 2 types of cake mix. So today I'm going to be making a strawberry cake because that sounds super delicious. And I am using a Betty Crocker mix, and they're super cheap at the store. I think it's like $1 a box. So I'm going to be using the super moist strawberry cake mix and the super moist white cake mix. And before we get started, I'm going to take both of the cake mixes out of the container, and I'm going to mix them in a bowl that has a lid. Now it's very important that your bowl has a lid because we're going to put the lid on and shake the 2 cake mixes together. All right, so there's one, and then here's the strawberry one. This one's gonna smell super good. It does smell really good. It smells like strawberries. I'm gonna make sure I get all of this out. Now remember, your cake in a mug is just going to make cake for one person, but you're gonna have so much extra cake mix that you can make this with a friend, or you can make it for everybody in your family, and this is a fun thing to do at home. All right, so now I have my lid on top of my cake mixes, and I'm going to shake it up. Okay, and really mix the 2 cake mixes together. You could turn it upside down if you want. You'll want to do this over a table because, as you can see, my lid has let some of my cake mix fall out, but that's okay. We just want to make sure it's really shooken together. All right, so now I'm going to take the lid off, and you can see if it's kind of mixed in together. And our next step is going to be in the kitchen, so follow me. All right, guys, I am back, and I have moved to the kitchen where I have my dry cake mix that we mixed in our first video, and I have a mug, and I also have a tablespoon. Now, to get started, we are going to use 3 tablespoons of our mixed 2 cake mixes, okay? And we're going to put them right in our mug. We've got 1, 2, and 3. So we got 3 scoops of our cake mix. And now we're going to add some water. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of water in our cup. Okay, so there's 1. And 2. Now I'm going to mix this up with a spoon, and we'll put it in the microwave. All right, guys, so I put my mix that had the cake mix and the water in the microwave for exactly 1 minute. And I have cake. So from here, you can put some icing on it, or you could put some whipped cream on it. It's up to you. But I hope you have fun with this. It smells delicious.